Okay. It didn't look good. I mean, let's face it, he's faster and stronger than me. So if I was gonna beat this guy, I had to act fast. So, there I was. I faked to my left, but he got a hold of me and knocked me down. Knocked me down. He got a hold of me, knocked me down. Down, but not out. I yelled. At the top of my lungs, I yelled, "Let go of my purse! Let go of my purse! Let go of my purse! Let go of my purse!" Then, with all my might, I kicked him. As hard as I could, kicked him as hard as I could in his testicles. In his testicles. In his testicles. Kicked him. In his testicles. As hard as I could. In his testicles. Let go of my purse! Let go of my purse! As hard as I could. In his testicles.
You have been kicked in the testicles.